Hi, my name is Jamie from North Carolina. Today's Thursday, April 26th. Just wanted to give a review, a testimony of my experience working with First Choice Credit Repair. They're actually a great company. I would highly recommend to anyone. They don't just take your money, they actually teach you for credit knowledge for the future and just to help you learn from your past mistakes. It was a great opportunity. My credit score is jumping up, and I've had several deletions from my credit, and they keep a steady contact with you. The communication is great. The professionalism is great. Like I say, I highly recommend.